American Battery Metal Corporation. Really good stock. Currently trading at $1.58. I hope most of you know about this stock. If somebody is watching this video first time, or he is listening this stock first time, let me tell you about this stock. This company is engaged in exploration, mining, extracting and recycling of the battery material, and it is really good size company and market cap of $836 million. And recently this stock is traded between 1.59 to $1.46, and recently it fell down from its highest peak, that is $4.90. Now the question is, should you buy this stock, or when you should buy this stock? So as you can see on this screen, we are using daily candle. So as you can see, this stock fell down around 69% from its high. So it's really major drop down. So it is already 69% discounted rate. So I don't think so it will fell more down. Maximum you can, because you can see here you can see there is a really good support. There is a really good support, you can see here, this side. Yes, like here. Yes. As you can see, there is a really good support. So it started bouncing back, but if it crossed this support, so you can see the price could fell down more. Price could fell down more. You can see there is another support. You can see there is another support. So if it cross this one, you can see the next support will be $1.21. So I think you should buy here around 1.21, but you should not wait that this stock will touch this line, because you should started buying from this slowly. If it go more down, you can buy more, because I don't think so it will fall more down, because it's really good company. Every good stock is falling down without reason. So I think if you want, you can wait little bit more, but if you want to buy, then you can start buying from here slowly. Suppose if you want to invest like $400 or $500, you should buy $100 here, and after that if it fell down, then $100 again, and if it touch this line, then from this line you can invest here $200. But I don't think so that it will go more down from this, because if it go more down, then next level will be like in 70 cent 70. Here I will show you. The next bottom will be this one. I will color it back. I have to make it more darker. Yes. So now you can see on my chart, like this stock fell down around 69%. If it cross this line, this support, then it will fell more down, and then you can have a 74% discounted rate. If it fell more down, then according to me, the last support could be 0.72 cent. Then you will have minus 80, around 85% discounted rate. So I think my recommendation to you will be like, from this you should start buying slowly. So if you starting buying from here, so because the end of the day this stock will cross this highest. I think within 1 year it will cross his highest peak, that around $4. So this stock would be for you $1 million company. this stock can be multi-bagger stock. So if from here, if you start buying it, so till if even if it fell more down, so start slowly. Suppose if you want to invest $500, so you can start buying it from here, and if the stock will touch this support, then suppose you invest here $100, and here you can invest around $1.21, you can invest here $100 too, and here $0.70, here you can invest rest of the money like $300. But I don't think so that it will cross this $1.24. It's really less chances, but it can happen. So at least don't invest whole money here if you did not invest it till now. So you can invest, even it can happen that the stock can reverse from this and it will never come back. It can happen, but the main thing is this: if stock cross this line, then the nearest support will be this one, and the last, I think the bottom will be 0.75. It's my prediction, but anything can happen. Even the stock can reverse from here, so it's up to you how much you can invest. If just invest in the installments, invest slowly, step by step, so that you can have good profit, you can enjoy every dip. So that's why I'm saying to you, according to me, this stock is really good. It can make your wealth triple, 10 time more time. You are very lucky that market giving you a chance to buy. This is time to buying, not to get panicked. So till then, bye bye. I hope so this company will make your money double.